Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mitsubishi Lancer's air filter. First, you'll need to locate the air filter housing, typically found under the hood. Make sure you have a screwdriver and your new air filter ready. Replacing this component regularly is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. It's a simple task that can save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Now, let's get that old filter out. Begin by unfastening the clips or screws that hold the air filter housing cover in place. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the cover to reveal the dirty air filter inside. Before you pull it out, take a quick mental note of how the old filter is seated. This will help ensure your new filter goes in correctly. Discard the old filter responsibly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: just like a good air filter protects your engine, darn tough socks protect your feet with incredible comfort and a lifetime warranty. Life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old filter removed, it's a good time to clean out any leaves or debris from the air filter housing. A quick wipe with a clean cloth will do the trick. Now, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and matches the orientation you observed earlier. Finally, replace the housing cover and secure all clips or screws tightly. Double-check everything to ensure a proper seal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.